Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name's Teresa and this is Teresa's Life Budgeted, and this is our What Are We Saving Wednesday video, and we're going to save in our Disney 12-month collab. If you're new, I am in my 3rd month of working on this and I'm trying to get it done this month. So this collab is hosted by Steph's on a Budget, Weekly Budgets, and Budgeting with Lysandra, and it is brought to us by all of these amazing creators here. I believe we're talking about August this month. I've been going through one at a time. For August, our main collaborator is Carly from Budget with Carly. And so the main creator created a monthly that's worth $25, and then their partner. So for August, that's Bree from BrzysBudgets. I think we already did these, so let's do September. September's main one is Veronica from Weekly Budgets, and her partner is Victoria from Toria's Budgets. And basically, your main creator created a $25 save, and your partner created a roll-in save or some sort of a game to go with it. I'm doing mine a little bit differently so that I can try to get it done in 3 months. So, fingers crossed, I did my math right, and we can. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Excuse me, friends. Let's go ahead and get started in our movies to watch. Let me grab a color here. Let's go ahead and do a dark blue today. So I'm actually going to do a few of the movies to watch. I start out with this one because we're playing with our cards here, and this one does not have a card. So I'm doing mine a little bit different than it was meant to be played. I'm playing it as if I've watched it, I'm paying $1. If I have not watched it, I will pay $5. And I believe we did up last time, so let's go from there. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, Winnie the Pooh. This one is going to fall into the I'm not sure category because I've seen the old Winnie the Pooh movies, but I'm not sure if this is like a new Winnie the Pooh movie or if it's the one that I watched as a kid. But I'm not 100% positive on that, so I'm going to go ahead and do $3. We'll split the difference on that one. Where are we going next? 4 again. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Aladdin. I have seen Aladdin about a bazillion times. It is a movie that we owned as a kid, and I don't know about all of you, but I feel like if you were my age group and you didn't have a bunch of movies, certain ones, I mean, even now kids watch the same one. You watch the same movie a million times. And when I was a child, I knew every single word to the movie Aladdin. So that one will be $1. 1, Nemo, Finding Nemo. Yes, I do know that one too. I watched that one when it came out. That's how old I am. Pretty sure I've seen a lot of these when they first came out. Obviously not all of them, but yes, I have seen Nemo. So that one is $1. So let's just do those 3 for today and call that good. So let's go ahead and see where we're going to go first. I am drawing these cards, and we're going to go wherever they tell us to go. We'll see what we can finish today. We finished a couple of them last week, so we're starting out with a bonus. So this one is from Weekly Budgets. Let's see. We've got our last one, so we are finishing this one. I am, however, going to roll a 6-sided die. Ooh, and we got a 6. Nice. So our last little fishy friend there is going to get 6. I don't think I said it, but we are playing with $65 is what we're working with today. All right. Where to next? So we've gone ahead and we've finished off the bonus. Yay. Next, we're going to jump to July. That's perfect because I don't think we did that one last month or last week. Now I'm just flying through time, apparently. All right, why am I getting stuck here? All right, let's see. How many of these do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. All right, we're going to do like we were last week, and if I only get $1, I'll go again. If not, we'll move on to the next one. 3. I have no idea where we were before. So 1, 2, 3. So $2. So that'll be it for this one. And then when I pull the card, we're doing both the first and the second one. Alrighty, and the way I'm playing this roll and save, if I get an odd, it's $1. If I get an even, it's 2. So that's a 2, even for $2. All right, next we're going to go to March. Okay, and March is beautiful Tiana from the Princess Frog. Again, I don't know where we were last time, so we'll just start at the beginning. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I'm assuming that's her Prince Charming. I'm not sure. I have not seen the show, but $2 for an icon. So next we'll do Dr. Facilier, and let's see how many we're going to color in today. 2 of them. All right, and 2 for that one. Nice. Next, we're going to go to February. So just back a month to Ariel, my favorite Disney princess. And let's see, I think we're going to do a couple of this one anyway. So first one is a 3, just because there's so many. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 3. So $6. And then how many, or what do we got on here? So odd is 1, even is 2. We got another 2 for 2. I know you can't see some of them because they're so light with the colors I used. Alrighty, next up, I do apologize if it does get a little bit dimmer. I am doing this video during the week, and so it is getting darker outside. I'm doing it after work one day. Alrighty, September. Got her up here, so that's a 1. We're going to go again. And a 4. So 2, 3, and 4. So there'll be 4 of them. I'm just crossing those ones off because I didn't play it the way it was meant to be played, you know. And we only have 1 left on here. So we are all done on this one. So let's actually put that 4 back and grab a 5. So yay, we finished September. Next, we're going to jump to our Hercules bonus. Okay, let's see what we're going to get today. Spot number 1. So $2 for the baby Pegasus. Now I can't remember what his name was. Ah, that's going to kill me. Oh, well. All right, December. A dream is a wish. 2, 1, 2. So that is $1. I will let it slide this time because there's only 1 left. So, or should we just finish it? I think we're going to leave it. Well, let's see. And then, oh, I finally put away the color and now I don't know which one it was. I hope it's this one. If not, our CK in looking like a snack is going to be weird. Oh, and we got a 1 on here. Oh, and then I'm trying to do it with my dark blue anyway. I think it's slightly different, but oh well. It will be okay. You know what? To heck with it. We are going to finish December. We're going to start with the end of the last month of the year. Okay, so we're going to grab 2 for that. And then we're going to pull our December card because it's our first one we're finishing. And since we only got 1, we are going to finish this. and do the 2. Anybody else that way you hate to finish one? All right. We got 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, where to next? Oh, looks like we're going to finish up our Mickey bonus as well because we only had 1 left on here. So we can pull out our Mickey card and put our $1 in to finish Mickey. And then we're going to come up here to April. Alrighty, let's see what we get. 3, 1, 2, 3, so $4. And only 1 left on there, so we're gonna do our 1 there. Okay, so we still have 1 left, but we got more than a 1, so I'm going to let it slide. Next, we are going to go to Aladdin for November. Okay, let's see. What are we going to get today? We've got 1, 2. I think it's just those 2 left. 3 and 4. So we're going to do the Sultan for $2. And let's see how many we're going to do in here. We're going to do 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So put 1 back and grab our last 5. We're catching back up in this one, thankfully. All right, next up we've got May. It's gonna be May. Anybody else think that every time? Okay, so let's see. What are we doing on this one? We got 3. 1, 2, 3. So we got $2. And then our spot number 2 for May is already complete. Next up, we've got January. Okay, so we only have 1 left on here. On our front one, our last little icon of Eeyore. So $2 for Eeyore. And let's see how many we're doing on spot number 2. I got a 1, so we will definitely go again. And a 3. 2. So $4. Where to next? We've got June, and I don't think I colored in my flower last week afterwards, so now I'm going to have 2 of them to color in. Okay, so we only have 1 left on here for 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have $1 left, so I'm going to cheat to win here a little bit, and we're just going to put a 1. Oop, except for I'm supposed to write that in black. But, again, I will color these in later, or I will try to remember to at least. But we'll put our last 1 in for that. Well, should we roll for it? I'm going to give it a 1 anyway. All right, well, it was a fast one today, friends, but it's getting down there. We only had 2 left this time that we didn't play, our October and our August. So next time, hopefully they'll make it through the loop. But most exciting part was we finished 2 of them. Can you believe it? We finished one of our bonuses and we finished December. So I'm excited to see what we'll finish next week and then our final week of the month too. So if you like this video, friends, make sure you hit that like button. Hit subscribe if you haven't yet. so that you'll see my other videos when they're posted. Alrighty, friends. I'll see you next time. Bye.